In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit properties in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot CRM account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and ready to work in the settings area, since property changes can affect how information is organized across your CRM. Next, click the settings icon. This is where HubSpot stores the configuration options for your account, including the tools you'll use to manage data structure and customize fields for different record types. From there, navigate to Properties under Data Management. This section is where you can view and maintain the properties used throughout your CRM. Properties are the fields that store information like contact details, company information, deal values, ticket data, and more, so editing them carefully helps keep your system clean and useful. Once you're in the Properties area, select the object whose properties you want to edit. For example, you might choose Contacts, Companies, Deals, Tickets, or another custom or standard object, depending on where the property is used. Choosing the correct object is important because each one has its own set of properties. Now, locate the property you want to edit. If your account has a large number of properties, it can help to scan the list carefully and confirm you found the exact field you intend to change before opening it. When you find the right one, click the property name. This will open the property settings so you can review and update its details. Go ahead and modify the property details as needed. Depending on the type of property, you may be able to change things, such as how the field is displayed or how users interact with it in records and forms. You can also update the property label, the description, or the field options if applicable. The label is what users will see. The description can provide internal guidance, and field options are especially important for drop-downs, checkboxes, or other selectable values. Make sure everything is clear and accurate before moving on. After making your edits, review your changes carefully. This is a good moment to confirm that the wording is correct, the options are in the right format, and the property still matches the purpose you need it to serve. Once everything looks good, click Save. This applies your updates to the property. Finally, verify that the updated property appears correctly in the selected object. Open the object and check that the property reflects the changes you made, so you can be confident it's working as expected. Thanks for watching.